Does your iPhone make photos look too bright or overprocessed? Here's how to turn off auto-enhance on iPhone photos and camera. First, open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Now, select Photos. Scroll down and find View Full HDR. Turn this off. This stops photos from automatically boosting brightness and contrast. Now go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Camera. Tap Photographic Styles. If yours is set to bright or rich contrast, swipe to Standard. Tap Use Standard. This removes automatic filters while taking photos. Scroll down in Camera Settings. Turn off Prioritize Faster Shooting. This prevents extra processing when taking quick photos. If available, turn off Lens Correction and Macro Control. For photos already taken, open one in the Photos app. Tap Edit, then tap Live. Choose a frame. That looks more natural. Tap Make Key Photo, then Done. And that's how you reduce auto-enhance on iPhone photos. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone camera guides.